Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Buying a car, whether it's new or used, is a big decision. You want a vehicle that lasts and won't leave you stranded. That's where understanding vehicle reliability by make and model really matters. This guide will show you how to find trustworthy information. We'll explore various data-driven methods to help you make a smart choice. By the end, you'll feel confident in your research and your next car purchase. Understanding key reliability metrics and their importance. When you explore vehicle reliability, it's more than just avoiding a breakdown. Think about it. A reliable car means fewer trips to the mechanic, lower repair bills, and a smoother ownership experience. This involves looking at the frequency of repairs, how severe those repairs are, and the overall cost to keep the vehicle running. It covers everything, from the engine and transmission to the electronics and even the interior components. Common reliability ratings and what they indicate. Several key organizations provide reliability ratings that help you compare different vehicles. These ratings typically come from extensive owner surveys and expert evaluations. They offer a snapshot of what other car owners have experienced. Here are some common ratings and what they generally tell you. Predicted reliability. This rating estimates how well a new vehicle model is expected to perform over time. It's often based on data from previous models by the same manufacturer and early owner feedback. A high score suggests fewer mechanical issues are anticipated. Owner satisfaction. This metric goes beyond just breakdowns. It reflects how happy owners are with their vehicle overall, including aspects like driving experience, comfort, and unexpected problems. It can reveal if a car meets or exceeds owner expectations. Repair frequency. This indicates how often specific models typically need repairs. A lower frequency is better, meaning less time in the shop. Repair severity. This metric looks at how serious the repairs tend to be. Minor issues are less concerning than major component failures like an engine or transmission problem. Keep in mind that a high reliability score does not mean a vehicle will never have problems. It simply means it's less likely to encounter significant or frequent issues compared to models with lower scores. Factors influencing vehicle reliability. Many elements contribute to a vehicle's overall reliability. It's a complex interplay of design, manufacturing, and technology. Understanding these factors can help you make a more informed decision. Consider these key influencers. Manufacturing quality. How a car is built matters. Precise assembly, good materials, and strong quality control during production often lead to more reliable vehicles. Specific components. Certain parts are more prone to issues than others. For example, some transmission types or engine designs might have known weaknesses that can affect long-term reliability. Researching common issues with a particular engine or transmission can be very insightful. Complexity of onboard technology. Modern cars come packed with advanced features. Infotainment systems, driver assist technologies, and intricate electronic controls. While appealing, each added feature can introduce new points of failure. More complex electronics might lead to software glitches or sensor malfunctions, adding to potential repair needs. Top resources for vehicle reliability data. Finding dependable information is key when researching vehicle reliability. Several trusted organizations specialize in collecting and analyzing data on car performance and common issues. These sources can give you a clearer picture of a vehicle's potential longevity and any recurring problems. Let's look at some of the best places to find this crucial data. Leveraging consumer reports for reliability scores. Consumer Reports is a well-known resource for unbiased product reviews, and their vehicle reliability data is a cornerstone of their offerings. They gather extensive information directly from their members. This means they have a huge database of real-world repair histories from thousands of vehicle owners. To find reliability scores, you can visit their website or check their annual auto issue. Look for sections detailing predicted reliability scores, which estimate how a new model is expected to perform. They also provide owner satisfaction ratings, showing how happy owners are with their purchase over time. Consumer Reports also highlight specific problem areas reported by owners. This lets you see if particular components, like the transmission or infotainment system, have common issues. Their deep dives into specific model years can be especially helpful, pinpointing exact trouble spots that might affect your decision. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll dive deeper into long-term ownership data and hidden red flags to watch out for. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.